Want to build a handyman website with WordPress and Divi 5? In this series, I'll show you how, one page at a time, all in under 15 minutes per video. Today we're going to be getting started with hosting, WordPress, and Divi. I'm Daniel Moore from LunarPixelHQ.com, and we're going to be building a clean, modern handyman website. So first off, we're going to be using Siteground for hosting. It's reliable and WordPress optimized, so we'll log in and set up our site. I've hit the new website button, and then in there I did new domain. I picked tutorialwebsite01.com. After you add your domain name, you'll click the continue button. Then you'll either choose start a new website or migrate website. I'm going to click start new website and then use WordPress. And then you'll set up your login. For email address, I just picked john.smith@gmail.com, and I just generated a random password. After that, it's going to ask you for some add-ons. I'm going to click no thank you just to skip them. And then after that, you'll click the pay now button. But I've already done that. I'm logged in. I'm going to go into websites, site tools, and then you'll see this dashboard here. I'm going to click install and manage WordPress, and then select WordPress. You're going to pick your domain, the installation path, and put in your admin info for Siteground. After that, you'll click the install button, but I've already got that all set up, so I'm going to click login, and this is the dashboard I have. So the next thing we're going to do is clean up the dashboard and get things ready for Divi. So I'm going to delete the sample pages that come with any new WordPress website. These are the shop and stuff. This comes with WooCommerce. So I just deleted all those and left my handyman site example here. Next, I'm going to create the 5 pages that we're going to be using. So home first. Add another page, about, another page, services, add another page, contact, and then for the last page, testimonials. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is upload and activate the Divi 5 Alpha, which is the latest visual builder from Elegant Themes. So you're going to click on Appearance Themes, and then Upload Theme, and choose File. You're going to want to download Divi from your Elegant Themes account, and then upload the zip file into the area there, and then click Install Now. I've already done that, so I'm not going to activate it again. I'm updating my version to Divi 5. So this is what we're going to be building in this series. It's a clean, modern handyman website. So we're going to do the home hero section with these testimonial sliders, these projects completed, and the get to know our company section along with this footer. Everything's going to be mobile friendly and designed for conversions. So let's just go ahead and set the tone with a color palette and some font pairings. So I went into the home page here, and we're just going to set some stuff up. I'm going to go into my variable manager and then click fonts. And you see for headings, I've got Bebas New as the heading. And then the body is going to be Roboto Serif. I'm going to click colors, and you see I've got 2 colors here. I'm just going to delete them real quick and build them from scratch. So I'm going to click add global color. I'm just going to call this navy. And the color code, I'm just going to type in here. I will add the color codes into the description so you can copy and follow along. Add another color. I'm going to call this the CTA color. I'm going to make that yellow. And then once you're done with that, click Save Variables, Apply Changes. So we set the stage, so next time we'll be building the homepage hero section with a bold headline, call to action buttons, and a clean layout. If you're ready to build this with me step by step, subscribe so you don't miss episode 2.